Hi beautiful souls, a very warm welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hope you people are doing great. I am doing absolutely fine. So if you are here for the first time, hi, my name is Charanya and this is my channel Shimmer Beauty and Style. I do videos related to beauty and lifestyle. So if you are interested into such content, stay tuned with me. So today I'm going to review the Mamaearth's Kajal, and this is the first cosmetic product which Mamaearth is releasing. So basically Mamaearth is into skincare and hair care products, so this is the first time they are releasing into cosmetics. They have already released the lip balms as well, which I should get hands on. And with this there was another release that they released a kohl pencil which I couldn't get hands on. It was out of stock on Nykaa as well as on Mamaearth's official page. So Mamaearth, please stock it up. I would love to buy it and review it. So the best part about Mamaearth product is Mamaearth recycles more plastic than they produce. I love that fact. And one more thing is their agenda is to plant 1 billion trees by end of like 2 to 3 years is what their agenda is. I don't know about the time, but they are going to plant 1 billion trees. So if you want to be the part of this, go ahead and purchase from Mamaearth's official page. Then they will link your order to one tree which they are going to plant. So let's see the packaging. The packaging of the product is so nice and so sleek. It is very attractive as well, and they have used cardboard which is easily recyclable. So when we see on the top, it says 11 hours stay, smudge free, made safe. Also there is toxin free, long stay, 0.35 gram of product, and it's a steel deal, guys. So this kajal is with benefits of vitamin C and chamomile. If you know about chamomile is very good for our eyes. It will cool down your eyes as well. It will de-stress it, and it's a beautiful ingredient to have in your kajal. So when we see at the side, we can see that it is plastic positive. We recycle more plastic than we use, as I said earlier, cruelty free and vegan. And when we see behind, you can see there is a lot of instructions and ingredients given. There is a lot of other details with the MRP, and it's priced at 299. So you can get this product at 250 rupees very easily. And coming to the other side, it's just design. There is no other details. So this is how the outer packaging looks. So when you open the inner packaging, this is like a cardboard box again, in which the kajal pencil is kept. Look at the kajal pencil, how sleek and beautiful it is. And look at the thickness, guys. I'm going to draw it on my hands and see how beautifully it is pigmented and so nice it is. So let's do the water test quickly. I will go get water and come back. So now I'm going to pour some water on it. So it is not dripping. It's not dripping out with the water. That is a good point. I like it. So let's smudge it and see. Wow, it is really not smudging. I'm putting a little energy, but still it is not smudging. Look how beautifully it is formulated. And this is a kajal I would love to wear it for any function or any event, even while vlogging, because this is the best kajal I've seen under budget at this level. The best part is it's so pigmented. I love it. I am in love with this product. I'm going to replace it with all my kajals, and I'm going to use this. Like one good stroke was enough. And look, guys, look at the pigmentation. So talking about the product is waterproof. I love that fact. And the color payoff is also so good. It is so pigmented. Today's makeup look also I have created using this kajal itself, and look how beautifully it is pigmented. So even if you see the price range, this is beautifully priced at 299, and there is always offer on Mamaearth's official page and on Nykaa, so you can check out good deals. Maybe you can get it for 250, like I got it for 250 rupees. And this is a steal deal, guys. At this budget, kajal pencil like this is a bomb with that color payoff and waterproof. And it doesn't have so many chemicals. It is toxin free, guys. So basically sometimes what happens is few kajals have those chemicals which will irritate your eyes. Sometimes the eyes start watering. So those all will not happen with this kajal because it's toxin free. How good. So my eyes are sensitive, and after applying this kajal, I did not water. I literally do not water. So when I apply kajal, like slightly I will water from left eye because my eyes are very sensitive. But for this, no, that didn't happen. I was like, wow, this is the product. I'm going to use it now. So, and one more thing, I am not sponsored for this. Yeah, I bought it from my own money and I'm doing with my own impression and honesty. So where can you purchase this product? This product is available on Mamaearth's official page, available on Nykaa, Flipkart and Amazon. You can go ahead and purchase it from there. I will leave the links in the description so that you can go ahead and purchase. So let's quickly look into the pros and cons of this product. Cons, I don't see anything for now. Like legit, I don't see anything. This is so nice. So coming to the pros, this is firstly toxin free. I love it. Second, the color payoff is so beautiful. I love it. It is so pigmented and deep. Third, it is smudge proof. Fourth, it is waterproof. Damn, what more you need in a kajal, yaar. This is so nice. I'm in love with it. Like legit love with it. And it's an honest review. I'm not sponsored for this content. And fifth is, I can be the part of what they are doing. So they are going to plant 1 billion trees as I told before. So even I can be a part of this by purchasing products from their official webpage. And I am so happy for that. So do I recommend this product? Absolutely, I recommend this product. This is a steal deal for 300. If you're paying 300 also, this is a good deal because you're getting a nice amount of product as well as it is smudge proof, waterproof, and the payoff is, don't even ask me, you have already seen it. Thank you guys for tuning to the last. I hope you enjoyed this video, gained a little knowledge from this. If you did, please do a like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you would be posted whenever I post a new video. So until next time, keep shining. Love you.